Labor Day 2006, all of my family had gathered at my oldest brother's house in Florida. My little nieces and nephews were playing on the ground, and we must have been talking about how they were growing up really fast. My oldest niece, her name is Ariane, and she's the daughter of my younger brother, Sean, and he exclaims, "She's wearing panties now." You see, she had officially graduated from diapers to big girl panties. She had been given permission to own potty time like a champ. Sometimes you and I, we have a hard time graduating from diapers to big girl panties. We like being able to make a mess on ourselves, and we like having somebody else clean up that mess. We don't want to take responsibility for our decisions. Today, I want to give you permission. I want to give you permission to be true in the midst of your challenges, to be true to your calling, and to be true in your convictions.
I really enjoyed listening to Shala Graham.
Shala was just an incredibly engaging speaker.
Pulling up your big girl panties and really just moving forward in life.
I enjoyed Shala's speech because she owned the stage. She felt confident.
For me, putting my big girl panties on meant that I had to redefine what success looked like for me. For so long, I had believed that being successful was having a business with employees and a cool office space and the best insurance plan. But really, when it was time for me to move on to the new season that was planned for me, those things were just a big, heavy diaper. You see, that feeling that I had on that airplane was God trying to give me a heads up, saying, you know what, change is coming, be ready. He reminded me of this scripture where he says, "For see, I am about to do something new. See, I've already begun. Do you not see it? I'm making a pathway in the wilderness and a river in the dry wasteland." He said to me, he's like, "Come here, Shala. I need you to put your big girl panties on, because where I'm about to take you, diapers are not allowed."
Her words really resonated with me as a fellow entrepreneur, and I left, the audience with tears in my eyes because her story was really impactful for me.
What I loved about her talk is that it was so vulnerable. I left feeling like, energized about what I could maybe do in my own life.
Today, I give you permission. I give you permission to be true in the midst of your challenges, to put aside the shame and the embarrassment and this desire to protect your reputation and your ego. I give you permission to have vision for where your calling will take you and the conviction to chase that sucker down. Now that you have permission, what are you going to do with it? Because sometimes, just like my niece Ariane, we all got to put our big girl panties on. Thank you.